starts on the 25th, which is a Wednesday. That's when the cold front is expected to make landfall over the Western Cape. It will go apart up until the 27th, and it will affect the Western Cape, southern parts of the Northern Cape, and possibly the western half of the Eastern Cape. In Gauteng, it's just going to drop temperatures from Friday into Saturday, and we may start seeing some recovery from Sunday.
Yes.
Right, so we have different areas, especially the eastern half. That's where I think they were most impacted, Mthatha area and area. In 24 hours, I know Mthatha measured about 109 millimeters over 24 hours. Also had stations that measured around 50 millimeters or more. And in the areas extreme northeastern parts, there were areas that reported about 80 millimeters to 100 millimeters, around 84. Well, then we'd have to check the figures directly, but I know that the eastern half was between 80 and 100 millimeters of rain within 24 hours that was recorded. Maximum of about 10 degrees, 12, 15. Yeah. I know you don't expect rain, but cold is cold.
Okay, so
Yeah.
again, that answers everything. Thank you.
Thank you. Cold since the winter started, that is the coldest day.
Okay.
But in terms of your temperatures, we're expecting temperatures to drop below 17, but to be in the Western Cape around 10 degrees to 11, but it could even drop to more. It depends on what the weather system brings about or how it behaves once it starts to make landfall. But we're expecting temperatures between 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, but definitely below 10 over the southwestern parts, which would cover the Western Cape and the southern parts of the Northern Cape. The 27th, stretching to the Eastern Cape. What you can expect in terms of warnings, we should, the two warning for damaging winds along the southwest coast, as well as damaging waves that might result in navigation seems to be difficult. So if you have any coastal activities, it's quite good to be prepared ahead about what's going to happen in the next coming days, especially from Wednesday into Thursday and parts of Friday. But Friday, then it starts to affect the central interior. Speaking of the rain, it will be heavy rain that's expected for the central parts of the Western Cape into the western parts of the Western Cape province. We're expecting about 30 to 30 millimeters of rain into about 50 to 80 millimeters in the high-lying areas of the Western Cape. But in the high-lying grounds of the Western Cape into the southern areas of the Northern Cape, you can expect some light snowfalls due to the drop in temperatures. So I think that's one of the things that you might want to look at. Yes, we don't have a warning as yet, but in terms of the warnings that we have two damaging winds and waves that are expected along the southwest coast, which might result in navigation and sea to be difficult. Once you get to the central interior, yes, we've spoken about the Northern Cape, Western Cape, into the western half of the Eastern Cape. But then one thing that everyone is asking themselves is, what does it mean for you in Gauteng? Temperatures will drop, but this is expected on Friday. It's just a drop in temperatures. We don't have rainfall that's expected with the system, but most of the damaging winds as well as damaging waves are expected for the southwestern parts. But from Thursday into Friday, you can start experiencing some windy conditions, especially in the northeastern parts, which might then also increase the chances of veld fires and a possibility of runaway fires in some areas. So do take caution over that. So you can expect windy conditions from Thursday evening into Friday. Cold temperatures are expected in Gauteng from Friday, but into Saturday. On Sunday, you can start seeing a pickup and a development into back to winter conditions. Hope that makes sense.